You wouldn't let your phone die. You panic when it hits 10%. You treat that device like a god. But you treat your own biology like a rental car. You run it into the ground and expect it to start every morning. This is revenge bedtime procrastination. The monkey feels unfulfilled by the day, so he steals time from the night. He thinks he is winning, but he is stopping the cleaning crew. Your brain has a sewage system called the glymphatic system. It only turns on when you are in deep sleep. If you cut sleep short, you wake up with a brain full of yesterday's toxic waste. Caffeine doesn't fix this. It just hides the warning light. To fix the hardware, you need a hard reboot. Here's the protocol to initiate a full system recharge. Step 1, the sunset. Blue light signals attack. Red light signals rest. 2 hours before bed, dim the world. Step 2, thermal drop. Your core temperature needs to drop 2 degrees to initiate sleep. Keep the cave cold. Step 3, NSDR, non-sleep deep rest. If the monkey won't shut up, you use a protocol to manually switch him off. When you respect the recharge, you don't need motivation. You wake up at 100%, ready for war. We have fixed the mindset. We have fixed the biology. The machine is ready. Now we put it to work. Next time we enter Module 3, the execution. Subscribe to build.